I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Transferring your ESIM from an old Android device to a new one can seem daunting, but it is quite straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure that your new Android device supports ESIM functionality. Most recent models do, but it's good to confirm. Step 2. Back up your data. Before starting the transfer, back up your old device to avoid losing any important information. Use Google Drive or your preferred backup method. Step 3. Remove the ESIM from old device. Go to the settings on your old Android, navigate to Network and Internet, then tap on Mobile Network. Select your ESIM and choose the option to remove it. Step 4. Obtain QR code or activation details. Contact e-customer support or use the My E app to get a new QR code or activation details for your ESIM. This is essential for setting it up on your new device. Step 5. Install ESIM on new device. On your new Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and select Add Mobile Plan. Scan the QR code or enter the activation details provided by E. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double-check that the old ESIM has been fully removed before trying to install it on the new device. Good luck with your new phone, and enjoy the seamless connectivity.